Watch, watch, watch. General, 10-star one. And you don't know already. Anytime I tune in, you know I live and live in colors. And it could never ever be a lollipop thing. Cause we don't have no lollipop blood in our vein. Watch, watch, watch. So once again, you know me there. I represent for Gaza to the fullest. My dust clock in, but I feel like shoot up that one here before me even touch nothing at all. So here me I say, yo, when I see steamy, right? When I see steamy with popcorn, I shoot up with jahvinci and I ask the dancehall fans them if him for drop it. You don't know it's not a if thing, Papi, I go drop it. But when I come for ask the Gaza fans them, right now in Gaza, we already don't know. So the teacher did pick the prefect in the classroom and I was popcorn, in. And the whole of we know say popcorn are the last man we ride with him where they are road, right? Watch. So you know no lollipop thing. So right now me I say, my thing is to popcorn. Popcorn. I'm going to tell you this. You see differently from Vybz Kartel, if you never know. Because you're supposed to know this, but I'm going to like exaggerate upon it. Just to make the dancehall fans them know what going on. You see differently from Vybz Kartel, popcorn. And you're the most influential DJ there road right now. I don't know a lollipop talk. I don't know a lollipop thing. Because right now the necessary equipment there for prove it. You understand me? So all a man want, chat all them want. The evidence, the material evidence them there for prove it. So you know a lollipop thing me I talk. What? Hear me I say. Use a look at you with enough of them, you know. Because enough of them in a age older than you. I'm not going to lie. Because when I say this, I never put on my mouth and talk. Loud me, I load it up. Hear me I say. You see, if you're a youth, you see the way how you deliver, you sang them, and the way how the people you sang them mean to the people, them, eh? You sound like a bigger man than most of them on there. May I tell you that? You know what I mean? You can't, if when people listen, you see music where you do at your age, it don't add up, you know. Because big, mature music you do, we're bigger than enough of what them man they do. I don't know how you do that thing there, you to be a big giant song you find. I don't know how you do that, dog. You know what I mean? It come like you're a man who have a big grown folks brains, my general. And on a lollipop thing. But I guess I survive cartel student them stay still. Because probably him teach you the secret technique. I may not even know that. You see what I deal with? But because you're the last man stay with him, you know. So you have to learn that secret technique there. I'm see the way how you come on the dancehall fans them. I'm see say you right now, differently from Vybz Kartel, are the most influential DJ out there. Because I say if you're never influential, right now, more of them are still over here. Enough man now go on like them now and admit that and them thing there. You run past more a real talk. There's what I deal with. I'm not afraid to say that. You run past him. The material evidence them there for prove it, man. So when I say no popcorn, you see a four brother them, because the teacher not there, you know, for teach the classroom no more. You see me? Not until him come on road again. And you are the prefect. And you control the classroom. You see a four brother them, jahvinci, Blak Ryno, Lee, get them back together, popcorn, and shot some collaboration with the youth them and send them off. Not like say them need a send off to get popular in a dance hall, you know. I talk about send them on an international level where the man them can hold them own space by themselves. And you see if you do that popcorn, you see when you do that, now watch what you see people are going to say, you know. You see what I do, they kind of like you work for glory in a people eyesight, but in the almighty eyesight, my brethren, a phenomenal look that. You see what I deal with? For you come and give your brother them that strength there. You see what I deal with? Because you know you do that, you know, my brethren. Gaza take over the world, you know. All the hip-hop world are going to lose out, you know. Because Gaza are going to take over all that too. You know you do that because the people them are going to wait for something like that. And let me tell you something right now. You see, two old times are run wicked and dreadful right now, my virgin. You see, if you make a phenomenal move like that, man, enough youth are going to get shake up. Enough people are going to get shake up by them thing there. Enough people have to drop bad mind. Have to let it go because them see the load is too heavy and it now wear and it now carry no swing. You see what I deal with? So you can't do that, my virgin, and be like a big WD-40 to free up bad mind. You see what I deal with? Free up bad mind in a dancehall, papi, and set the thing, you know what I mean, that others can follow. You know what I mean? Because big phenomenal move that me I tell you about. And if enough man, when me know enough man, enough other dancehall artists, they won't even think about something like that. Because the first thing, them are going to watch a material thing and them not going to want a man for rise to even come up on them shoulder. But me I going to tell you this, papi, no man can take what you forget. Because you see you are one of the choosing one that way there. Otherwise it won't happen so for you. Them can't take what you forget, and by you doing that phenomenal move there, you're going to conquer the whole world, because the whole world are going to rate you and respect the move you do, and people are going to cry not about crazy love for you. You see what I deal with? Because enough youth love them, enough people love them youth that are not even hear about them. Just because the radio play at Jamaica and how certain people want to deal with them in a dance hall and the fight. You don't know the whole thing. But me I say, papi, the teacher there in a lockdown right now. You see what I deal with? So the teacher can't anger the classroom as he would have liked to. But him left you the prefect. Because when the teacher left, you was the prefect, papi. Papi, you hear me? Make bygones be bygones, papi. Draw for your brother them and do couple shit with them. You know what I mean? And send them back upon the level where them supposed to dep on. I mean I tell you, the whole world I go give thanks to that. Because that is a big phenomenal move that. You know what I mean? You know how it look for see the four brother them run out on one stage right now. Because the world are wait for that, you know. Remember them see it from when we was a kid that grew up, you know. You know what I mean? Them not see the maturity, you know. The world, you can imagine that Blak Ryno, Jahvinci, Lee, and Popcaan they on one stage together, I perform. Blood clot, anywhere that I keep me that for fly down, man. Anywhere that I keep me that for fly down, man. I don't know, joke thing, man. A phenomenal move that papi. Them can't take away nothing from you. Because I tell you, say, if you do that, first thing, if you do that, you're going to control the whole place. Because what? People now going to stop give you respect. And people now going to stop love what you do. Because what you do is another lollipop thing. A phenomenal thing that. You see what I deal with? And you are the prefect. You see what I deal with? And you are the man. You are the man with that thing there right now. Because cartel there and locked up. No man. Where you see there, I'm a road I put mic. I'm out, no influential like you. Anything you come and say, shut. You know what I mean? So may I say again, popcorn, you don't know a Gaza nation. Get back the Gaza together before the teacher ready for come. And set the platform theme. That means when it come him now for do so much work. You don't know, you know, at the general, the 10-star one. And you know when time I represent, you know, on a lollipop thing. Watch. You know when time you come see me shut all back-to-back review but like that. You must know another lollipop thing. You must know I have something interested. I have something where they on the top of my tongue when I want to spit off. And let me tell you something. The world, and especially Jamaica, ghetto youths them, need to see something like that. So you set it and make them follow. And so them can drop some of them wickedness there, drop some of them animosity there with them have with them one another, and drop off all of them bad mind there. Chop it off, you hear that? One time, at the general, the 10-star one. Respect Gaza nation to the fullest. Watch. Watch.